ESA in Drakanos. You're going to be part of capturing life cycle analysis data for us. You guys sharing all your knowledge and connections and your advancements is really essential to transition.
I hope that I'll be able to contribute some deeper understanding of sustainability and especially how it relates to strategy and strategic thinking.
Diversity of thought is the key thing that I'm looking for this weekend. It's understanding how other industries do things differently and the learnings that we can take back to the travel industry.
I knew that I'd love this place before I arrived because I heard that it was using earth and timber. I noticed when I came into reception there was some cracks actually in the floor from earthquakes, and I love that. It's about celebrating floors.
I'm writing here in the community board some details about the distance from my home, the way I'm coming from my home to port, the accommodation, the food, the behaviours, in order to see the CO2.
As always, we've got a great group of people here. We've got them from large organisations like KPMG, small independent NGOs. They're from the UK, they're from Greece, they're from Austria, they're from Peru. It's really vibrant. They're all really knuckling down and getting on to the project work. So excited to see what they're going to come up with.
All the things I learned 2 years ago, I started to implement them, and that kind of helped me progressing my own business. That's one. And I also, on a personal level, started to chase my dreams. For you?
For me, I'm able to be bolder, more supportive. But as it is with almost everything in life, from time to time you need to be refreshed, re-energized, re-motivated, because when you're giving so much out, you need to replenish, don't you?
Yeah.
And that's why I think this is a very good event to come back to.
We are doing some stakeholder identification. We are using the stakeholder map to identify the stakeholders, their power, legitimacy and urgency, and how they could actually impact the work we're trying to do. So yeah, it's very useful, very interesting.
It's really nice that everyone brings their own perspective. For myself, working in the automotive industry, we're going through some of those changes now and kind of trying to understand, when is it greenwashing, when is it the right thing to do, when is it just for profit, when is it, and trying to get the messaging right and honest.
The issue with the stakeholders when you want to really make a change is quite eye-opening, kind of, to know that if you want to drive this, these are the kind of things to consider when choosing who to put in your energy to really get on your side, who are the critical stakeholders that you need to achieve what you want to achieve.
So tomorrow I'm going to be sharing examples of my work from the Amazon rainforest to the rest of the world, putting ideas together of what people have been learning today. So from engaging the multiple stakeholders to actually driving impact at a local and larger level, and looking at sustained impact over time and how storytelling can really connect it all. So I'll be sharing 3 key lessons and then pairing them with exercises that the students can follow, but also with real-life examples of how we've already been implementing this.
You have got an email from the ambassador of the British Embassy in Athens, congratulating you, welcoming you to Crete.